Hi friends, welcome to Nestela's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a healthy breakfast recipe and the items needed are 1 cup urad dal, quarter cup chana dal, 1 cup brown top millets and 1 cup rice. Here you can replace this millet with any other type of millet also. Add all these items into a bowl and clean them nicely with water before soaking them. After cleaning, they have to be soaked for 8 hours and they have to be grinded. See, I'm grinding them in a wet grinder. This batter has to be kept outside for 3 to 5 hours and then it can be stored in the refrigerator and it stays good for 1 week. See, take a ladle full of batter and spread it over the dosa pan. Are you wondering why my dosa pan is in this state? This is Bergner steel stainless dosa pan, which is a very good alternative for the non-stick dosa pans that are in the market. As much as possible, we have to avoid using non-stick. See, I'm serving the dosa with a peanut chutney. If you want to know the recipe of peanut chutney, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.